There's a spark in the way you move through the air. Scroll up, scroll down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Peculiar Beauty. So in this video I'll just be showing you guys how I'm going to achieve my kitchen. You know, my kitchen is inside my parlor, so in this place I was just trying to take them out. Taking this thing out are very difficult. Yes, should I say it again? It's so difficult. Like, I mean, especially this kitchen area. You know, when you are cooking in this kitchen area, so the thing will be sticking to the wall, so that's why it's so difficult to take those one out. Difficult, but not that difficult. But you see this place that the gas is, that place is so hard. So I just trying to take them out. Then after, you'll not believe when I started making this. I started by 9:30 in the evening and I round up, I think, after 2 at night. So this is almost after 11 when I was recording this video. So this is me just using this aggrasatore. You can use it in your bedroom, and also you can use it for your kitchen. Okay, so it removes dirt, like anything at all. So I'm just trying to remove the gum that was from the previous one, okay, before installing the new one. Okay, I must say this was the so difficult thing I've done for so long. I usually do this thing once in every year. Okay, I change my background. Okay, most especially that place that you are cooking, so that place usually get rough on time and all that. So this is me just trying to clean everywhere before I start installing the new one. So guys, I will leave you to enjoy the rest of the video, and do not forget to like, comment, and let us know what you think about this video in the comment section. Okay,
There's a spark in the way you move through the air, like a dream that was painted beyond what's fair. Oh, your light, it dances on everything I see. You're a peculiar beauty, you're everything to me. Your voice, it's soft like a Sunday morning tune, fills the room like the glow of a rising moon. Even stars envy the shine you can't disguise. Peculiar beauty, your love is my surprise. Oh, peculiar beauty, you've captured my soul. You're the part of my heart I didn't know was whole. With every note, every whisper, your love so true. Peculiar beauty, I'll always find you. Oh, this world is a maze, but you make it art. A canvas of love drawn on my heart, with piano keys echoing soft and unplanned. In this peculiar beauty, I'll always understand. Your touch feels like fire, but it never burns. It soothes and it teaches with every turn. When the world feels loud, you're my quiet reprise. Peculiar peculiar beauty, I'll always find you. I'll always find you. There's a spark in the way you move through the air, like a dream that was painted beyond what's fair. Oh, your light, it dances on everything I see. You're a peculiar beauty, you're everything to me. Your voice, it's soft like a Sunday morning tune, fills the room like the glow of a rising moon. Even stars envy the shine you can't disguise. Peculiar beauty, your love is my surprise. Oh, peculiar beauty, you've captured my soul. You're the part of my heart I didn't know was whole. With every note, every whisper, your love so true. Peculiar beauty, I'll always find you. Oh, this world is a maze, but you make it art. A canvas of love drawn on my heart, with piano keys echoing soft and unplanned. In this peculiar beauty, I'll always understand. Your touch feels like fire, but it never burns. It soothes and it teaches with every turn. When the world feels loud, you're my quiet reprise. Peculiar beauty, my heart's paradise. Oh, peculiar beauty, you've captured my soul. You're the part of my heart I didn't know was whole. With every note, every whisper, your love so true. Peculiar beauty, I'll always find you. I'll always find you. There's a spark in the way you move through the air, like a dream that was painted beyond what's fair. Oh, your light, it dances on everything I see. You're a peculiar beauty, you're everything to me. Your voice, it's soft like a Sunday morning tune, fills the room like the glow of a rising moon. Even stars envy the shine you can't disguise. Peculiar beauty, your love is my surprise. Oh, peculiar beauty, This world is a maze, but you make it art. A canvas of love drawn on my heart, with piano keys echoing soft and unplanned. In this peculiar beauty, I'll always understand. Your touch feels like fire, but it never burns. It soothes and it teaches with every turn. When the world feels loud, you're my quiet reprise.
So guys, this is what it looks like right now. Like my kitchen, this is my new kitchen. It's so beautiful. So I got these things from Shein, and I think I got it for €10. Everything, like the one that even wasted was even much. Do you know? So, and it's still remaining and it's sticky. I love it. Like, this is what my kitchen looks like. But before, I usually close only this place. I leave this particular place because this is how we met it. But now I think the color is getting like another color. It's getting another color. I don't know. So I just want to cover everything like this. So I'll be showing you guys the final look, what it looks like. So when I was recording throughout the middle of the night. I think that when you're watching the previous video, you see that everywhere is somehow dark. You see now everywhere is brighter because this is morning. I say I'm going to show you guys what this thing actually looks like in the morning. Okay, so guys, do not forget to share this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.